Hi there, I'm Michelle the Painter. Today I'm going to be painting Roasting Marshmallows. This painting is part of the exclusive series that I have available for my Patreon members, whereby you guys get to watch the fast, sped up version of the video, and I have available for all of my Patreon members the full-length version of the tutorial. So if you're interested in watching the full-length version of this one or many other exclusive tutorials that I have for the Patreons, or learning more about the Patreon membership program where there's a bunch of other benefits that you get to use to increase your artistic and your painting skills, I have all of that information down below in the video description. So I hope you enjoy. And that is going to conclude this painting. I hope you enjoyed the process. I hope you painted yourself a fun, edible image, and I look forward to painting with you Patreons again sometime.